Hello friends, today we will be talking about Python. We will shortly talk why it is a great choice as first programming language and why, even if it's not your language of choice initially, it is still definitely worth learning, especially for academic purposes. In this video, we will discuss 6 reasons to answer why we like Python. Number 1, not a complicated language. Python is an easy language to learn and easier language to use. This is a language perfect for newbies or beginners. Python can be easily written. It runs directly from source code, so it is easy and fast to execute because you almost never have the need to invoke a compiler. You simply run a .py file. Also, because it is such a very simple language, it is often the go-to programming language by researchers for in-depth research projects. Because in Python, you do not have to go deep into coding to be able to maximize the wide range of scientific libraries that Python provides. Now, absolutely zero hate to Java, but consider the following example on how to print the word databrolics in Java and in Python. You see what I mean, right? Next, big community of Python coders. Python was created by Guido van Rossum about 30 years ago, which is a lot of time for it to grow. And since a lot of developers use Python, you can see a lot of documentation and guides at python.org. There are tons of libraries available. Because of the big community and corporate sponsors, Python has vast array of libraries that you can choose from depending on your use case and are extremely beneficial, especially for data analytics and data science. You have such libraries like Matplotlib, SciPy, Beautiful Soup, Pandas, NumPy, and Django. Number 4 is versatility. Python can run in almost any kind of environment, be like mobile, desktop, web, and in even hardware, wherein usually you find robots being controlled by Python. Machine learning. I believe big data and machine learning are the two of the hottest topics right now in computer science, and Python is arguably the best for this job, or maybe second, after R programming. However, Python is more general purpose and still continuously growing, so definitely has my preference. Moreover, Python has hundreds of libraries for machine learning alone, and most popular examples are TensorFlow for neural networks and OpenCV for computer vision or face recognition. Lastly, Python for automation. Python can be used in a lot of automation tasks. One example is in software testing or other quality assurance processes. With software testing, Python has Selenium that you can use. It is just incredible that you can automate heavy and boring stuffs with just few lines of Python codes. To wrap it up, Python is simple and easy. It is widely supported, very rich in resources, flexible and versatile, used in big data and machine learning, and is very great for automation. The Python Byte series is a series of Python tutorial videos that will help jumpstart your data analytics skill. On our next video, we will be talking about how to install Python in a local machine. To help grow this channel, please like, subscribe, hit the bell icon to keep updated for free tutorial videos on data. See you soon. Bye-bye.